Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. We already understand the explanation of this lesson in my last video, and today we are covering the back exercise of this lesson. Let's start the back exercise. Part A. Part A. Your teacher will read out section 1. Write the correct sentences. Number 1. Only the clouds reach the mountain peaks. Correct. The mountain felt lonely in summer. Wrong. No, it is felt lonely in winter. The sky spoke kindly and lovingly to the mountain. Correct. The mountain thought about going to the summer kingdom. Wrong. The mountain thought about going to the winter kingdom. The sky said that mountains have to stay in one place. Correct. The mountains have to stay in one place. They cannot move one place to another. Discuss these questions about section 2 in class. Why did the mountain become even sadder? Mountain और भी ज़्यादा sad क्यों हो गया? The mountain became even sadder because he cannot move around and find new exciting things like others. What happened when it began to cry? क्या हुआ जब उसने रोना शुरू किया? जब mountain ने रोना शुरू किया तो क्या हुआ? When he began to cry, the dried and cracked plain below drank the flowing water thirstily, and it healed the cracked soil and plain become fresh and green. Why did it stop crying? उसने रोना बंद क्यों कर दिया? It stopped crying because from below side plain soil thanked the mountain for giving it so pure water. It changed the soil as fresh and green, and now he can talk to plain as well. So it stopped crying. What did the sky mean when it told the mountain you just have to notice them? इस बात का क्या मतलब था जब स्काई ने माउंटेन को कहा कि आपको नोटिस करना पड़ेगा? The sky mean you can find friends anywhere, you just have to notice them. Mean you have to look around and find new friends around yourself, and you can find friends everywhere, but you have to notice them. You don't need to go here and there, and if you want somebody to talk, you can find at your place only. C. Given below are two summaries of the story. Tick the correct one. Once upon a time there was a tall mountain. It was so tall that its peak stuck out in the sky all by itself. It had many friends. The clouds around its peak were not its friends. In summer the sun was very hot and the land below became very dry. There are many clouds in the sky. The mountain felt very lonely and it cried. The tears flowed down like rivers onto the plain. The plain was soon full of water. The plain thanked the mountain and became its friend. This is the story 1. And what is the next story? Once upon a time there was a tall mountain. It was so tall that its peak stuck out in the sky all by itself. It had few friends. Only the clouds around its peak were its friend. In summer the sun was very hot and the land below became very dry. There were no clouds in the sky. The mountain felt very lonely and it cried. The tears flowed down like rivers onto the plain. The plain became fresh and green again. It thanked the mountain and became its friend. So the second story is correct. The second story is correct. As you read the lesson, The Tale of a Mountain, you know very well that mountains have only few friends like clouds, and later on the plain from the below side became its friend when he giving them water. D. Tick the correct answer. The mountain was lonely because it was the tallest mountain in the world, was alone in the blue sky, had no friends. In the summer the mountain felt very sad because the sun shone long and hard. It was very hot. It missed the clouds. The sky's children had gone to the kingdom of winter, meet their friends, the kingdom of rain. The sky children had gone to the kingdom of winter. The sky told the mountain that it should fly like a cloud. The clouds were no longer allowed to play with it. Mountains are heavy and always stay in the same place. Mountains are heavy and always stay in the same place. The mountain helped the plain by giving it water, making it laugh, becoming its friend, giving it water. E. Answer these questions. Why did the mountain have very few friends? Mountain के बहुत कम friends क्यों थे? The mountain had very few friends because it had only noticed and befriended the clouds as they reached to its peak. माउंटेन के बहुत कम फ्रेंड्स इसलिए थे क्योंकि वो केवल उन्हें ही नोटिस कर पाता था और उन्हीं का फ्रेंड था, जैसे कि क्लाउड्स जो उसकी पीक यानी कि उसकी चोटी तक पहुंच पाते थे. Where did the clouds go in summer? समर में क्लाउड्स कहाँ चले गए? द क्लाउड्स वेंट अवे टू द किंगडम ऑफ विंटर। क्वेश्चन 3, व्हाई कुड नॉट द माउंटेन गो देयर? माउंटेन वहाँ क्यों नहीं जा सकता था? द माउंटेन कुड नॉट गो देयर बिकॉज माउंटेन्स कैन नॉट मूव फ्रॉम हिज प्लेस, दे हैव टू स्टे इन सेम प्लेस। माउंटेन वहाँ इसलिए नहीं जा सकता था क्योंकि माउंटेन जो है वो मूव नहीं कर सकता अपनी जगह से और वो केवल एक ही प्लेस पे रहते हैं। Why was the mountain sad? माउंटेन जो है वो सैड क्यों था? द माउंटेन वॉज सैड बिकॉज इट फेल्ट लोनली, क्योंकि वह लोनली फील कर रहा था। इट हैड टू स्टे वन प्लेस while others can move around and found new exciting things, जबकि जो दूसरे थे वो दूसरी जगह जा सकते थे और न्यू एक्साइटिंग थिंग्स कर सकते थे। What happened when the mountain cried? क्या हुआ जब माउंटेन रोया? When the mountain cried, tears began to flow down like rivers in the plain. जब माउंटेन ने रोना शुरू किया तो जो आंसू हैं वो नीचे बहने लगे नदी की तरह प्लेन ग्राउंड पर। एंड वाटर हील्ड द क्रैक्ड एंड थ्रस्टी प्लेन, और वाटर ने क्या किया, उसने जो थ्रस्टी प्यासी धरती को और वो जो क्रैक थी प्यासी धरती में उनको हील कर दिया, उनको भर दिया। मेकिंग इट फ्रेश एंड ग्रीन, और उसे फ्रेश एंड ग्रीन बना दिया। H. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Number 1. Nobody and nothing needs me. The mountain wailed. किसी को भी मेरी जरूरत नहीं है, माउंटेन ने दुखी आवाज में कहा। I don't like this food. I don't want to eat it. Maya whined. मुझे ये फूड पसंद नहीं है, मुझे ये नहीं खाना है, माया ने रोती हुई आवाज में कहा। Get me a glass of water. The man ordered rudely. मुझे एक पानी का गिलास लेके आओ, मैन ने जो है बहुत ही रूडली ऑर्डर किया। रूडली मतलब सख्त आवाज में। आई कैन हेल्प यू विथ योर होमवर्क इफ यू वांट, राजेश ऑफर। मैं तुम्हारी होमवर्क में तुम्हारी हेल्प कर सकता हूँ अगर आप चाहते हो तो, राजेश ने ऑफर किया। व्हाट इज द टाइम? ग्रैंडफादर आस्क्ड। ग्रैंडफादर ने पूछा क्या टाइम है? लुक एट द पपी चेजिंग इट्स ऑन टेल, द चाइल्ड एक्सक्लेम्ड विद डिलाइट। उस पपी को देखो अपनी पूंछ के पीछा करते हुए। जो बच्चे थे उन्होंने बड़ी खुशी भरी उसमें चिल्ला के कहा। एक्सक्लेम मतलब खुशी में खुशी जाहिर की। Find words from the story in the word search. Use them to fill in the blanks. Number 1, what. Number 2, plane. Number 3, mountain. Number 4, soil. Number 5, sky. Number 6, clouds. Number 7, lonely. Number 8, rank. No grammar. We use common noun to talk about people, places or things. We do not write a common noun with a capital letter. So the mountain was lonely without his friends. The clouds had gone away. Like mountain, friends and clouds without the name, we can say common noun. The name of specific people, place and things, the name we call them by their name or called proper noun. Proper noun always begin with a capital letter. The highest mountain in the world is the Everest in the Himalayas. Here is the name of the mountain, so we can say it is a proper noun. Arjun is Geeta's brother. Proper noun is the noun where is the specific or particular name mentioned there. But if there is no name mentioned there, we will say common noun. A collective noun is a word used for group of people, places or things. If we use any name or for a group of things, people or places, it is collective noun. A gang of thieves, a range of mountain, a group of trees. Work in pairs, match the clues with the common nouns. So we will match with the common noun. A stretch of flat land, plain. The topmost point of a mountain, peak. Water that falls from the sky, rain. Something you lay on the floor in a room, carpet. A person you play with and like being with, friend. Write 2 clues like the ones given above for some proper noun. Exchange the clues with your partner and write the answer. Longest river in the world, student, the Nile. Complete the sentences with the correct collective noun from the box. You will not need all the words. The band of young musicians played for 3 hours. A swarm of bees has made its home in a tree in a backyard. A herd of cattle is grazing in the field. There are 4 people in my family. We saw a pride of lions in the national park. A crowd gathered around the magician. Work in pair, match the collective noun in box A with the words in box B to make as many combinations as possible. Follow the example given below. Flock. A flock of sheep, a flock of birds, a flock of geese. Bunch, a bunch of bananas, a bunch of grapes. Team, a team of horses, a team of players. Herd, a herd of cattle, a herd of sheep. Pack, a pack of cards, a pack of lies. Basket, a basket of apples, a basket of fruits.